How to enable raise to ear, and this is for incoming calls on your Tecno Spark, Tecno Camon, or even the Tecno smartphone. The best way to go about finding this feature is using the quick settings here on your Tecno phone and tap on the settings toggle right here. Once you're in this area here, go down and look for this here, special function. In this area, you're going to look for micro intelligence right here. And now that you're here, you're going to see all these different settings, and one of them is raise to ear right here. Now, you probably want to know how come you didn't just search it. Well, sometimes when you type it in, it doesn't show up. But once you're here, you can turn it on. And basically what this does is when you have an incoming call and you have your phone in your hand, you can take it and place it close to your ear, as you can see with the animation, and that call will be automatically answered by itself without touching anything on your display. And of course, if you don't want this happening, go ahead and turn it off, like and sub.